Can I just start this video off by telling you guys that you are absolutely amazing, and I am so freaking excited to share with you the biggest news that I've ever announced in Drum Beats Online history. But first, I want to tell you a little story. So about 2 years ago, I felt insanely insecure about my drumming. Every time I stepped behind the kit, I ran into a bunch of creative roadblocks. Every time I checked my Instagram, I felt like I completely sucked at drumming, and I was terrified to play drums in front of other drummers or just other people in general. But not only that, but because of all my insecurity and confusion and failures, I felt that I could never actually make a career out of my drumming either. But then I started working on some very specific things that transformed the way that I played drums, and I started to figure out more concrete steps to take towards a drum career. Flash forward to now, and honestly, I feel amazing behind the drum kit. I've seen huge improvements in my playing, and frankly, I'm just having so much fun playing the drums. And in the process, I managed to pick up a dream gig with I Prevail, playing shows all around the world. So that's why I am so excited to announce that today I'm officially launching the DBO memberships, where I teach you how to achieve your drumming dream just like I achieved mine. So there are actually 3 different memberships that you can choose from on the website, but today I wanted to focus in on the All Access membership, which is the #1 membership of the whole site. So when you become an All Access member, you are going to have access to hundreds of drum lessons that are gonna help you see huge improvement in your drumming, and it's gonna help you feel way more confident behind the kit, and honestly, you're just gonna start having way more fun behind the drum kit. Then you are going to get access to a ton of career courses for the aspiring working drummers out there. These courses are going to teach you things like how to get more gigs, how to be a better online drummer, how to get endorsements, working on your overall production value in your videos. They're going to take all the confusion out of the industry side of drumming and help you take concrete steps forward in your drum career. Then you are going to get some amazing performance tracks that help you play better in a band setting, and they're just so fun to play along to. You'll get access to the educational, entertaining, and exclusive podcast episodes so I can teach you while you drive. You'll get access to all of the interviews with some of today's top drummers, plus access to the DBO shows, which are behind the scenes shows of me playing at big festivals, me doing behind the scenes stuff like building this cymbal wall. This is an amazing way to see everything that I do behind the scenes, and it's just a lot of fun. Plus, all members will be entered into our quarterly gear giveaways. So 4 times a year, I'm gonna be giving away stuff like sticks, heads. Pretty sure I'm going to be giving away a snare drum soon, so that's going to be awesome. And to top it all off, you're going to get new content added to your members area 2 times a week. Oh man, I feel like I'm out of breath from talking about all the features of the membership. There's just so much in there. So even with all of those amazing things, this is still going to be the cheapest drum lesson membership with recurring content that's out there at all. So I know I just talked about all of these features, but I thought I would just give you a quick tour of what your members area will look like. All right, so once you are logged in, here's what you're gonna experience. This is going to be your member dashboard where you can find all of what's new this week. So you're gonna have whatever the newest drum lesson is, the career content, the newest show, podcast, interview, and track. Then scroll to the bottom, you can actually request content because I wanna make the best content for you guys, so let me know what you wanna see. So you could actually just watch the video right on the page, or you could also click on the lesson page itself so you can see what the lesson video is. You can see the lesson notes to follow along that way, and then you can also comment on the video. Then you can go to your members area or see the next lesson from there. But going back to our dashboard, if you click up here, you can see all of your drum lesson courses. So here are your drum lesson courses categorized by difficulty. We could click on the Beginner Drum Fills 20 pack and start that course. So here is each and every lesson in this course. Just click on the lesson you want to watch, and then it will take you to the lesson page where you can watch the lesson and then follow along with the fill notation. You can always leave a comment on any video to ask any questions or anything like that. All questions are always answered. Then we can go over to our Career Climber page up here at the top and see all of our career courses. Again, same thing here. Click on the lesson that you want to watch. It'll take you right to the lesson page where you are going to get your lesson notes and any other resources. Like here's a podcast that fits really well with this subject matter. So guys, like I said, there are hundreds of lessons on here, plus a bunch of bonus content, and it gets updated every single week. So I am so insanely excited to guide you closer to your drumming dream through the All Access membership. And it's great for all ages. I have students who are in their 60s, and I have my 4-year-old nephew who's crushing it at the drums. Seriously, you don't believe me? Check it out. But I also felt the need to hook you guys up just a little bit more. Enter the coupon code ThisIsGonnaRock25 at the top of the checkout page, and you are going to get 25% off your first 3 months of the All Access membership. This coupon code will expire in 1 week at the end of the day on October 29th. So click the link in the description or the link right up here to become an All Access member, where I can guide you step by step closer towards your drumming dream. Guys, seriously, this thing is amazing, and it's going to be insanely cheap for you. I am so excited to see you guys shatter your drum goals through this membership, and I'm just frankly so excited to teach you guys. So again, make sure to click in the link in the description below, get your 25% off, and I am so excited to see you and to teach you in these memberships. I'll see you there. Bye guys.